Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Yasmeen and I'm the course in charge of Biochemistry first year. And you are watching video 1 on the topic of vitamin. So in the next several video, we are going to take you step by step in order to understand the topic of vitamin. We will go pretty in depth in order to make sure that you are going to understand the topic vitamin. Because more people are listening to YouTube, so this is the topic. This is the video in series of the YouTube lectures. So let's start the topic. First of all, I will talk about the discovery of vitamin. So in discovery of vitamin in 1910, the first vitamin complex was isolated by a Japanese scientist whose name was Umetaro Suzuki, who succeeded in extracting a water-soluble complex of micronutrient from the rice grain, and he named it abaric acid. In the history, again, we in 1912 there was a biochemist whose name was Casimir, and he isolated the same complex of micronutrient and proposed the complex and named it as vitamin. So this was all about the history of vitamin. Now, question is that what is vitamin? So vitamin, Vitamin. When you write vitamin, you see you are writing Vitamin. This vitamin name, it has a special connection with the term vitamin. Here you see vitamin, which was developed by a scientist, by Casimir. So what is the connection between this vitamin to the word vitamin? First time when they were extracting, they extracted a lot of compounds and they found that most of the compounds are amine in nature. But later on, when they continued their research and extraction, they found that majority of the compounds they were not amine in nature. So the name vitamin then changes into the word vitamin, because they found that most of the compounds were not amine in nature. So the term vital amines changes into the word vitamin. So this was all about the definition of vitamin. Okay. Now here, from now onward, here we'll discuss about the vitamin, uh, why we need vitamin, for what purpose we are in need of vitamin. See, vitamins are required to perform specific cellular functions. These all of these cellular functions, they are taking place inside the living organism. These cellular processes are translation, transcription, respiration, metabolism, and the transport processes, and the processes which protect your body from injuries and diseases, and the processes which provide energy for the body. But these processes, they require vitamins in order to perform their functions. So I don't want you to confuse yourself. Just understand that vitamins are the precursors, or vitamins are required to continue the cellular functions of the living organism. Okay, just think about the vitamin definition of vitamin. Now, the definition of vitamins, that they are vital amine. Why we are talking about, why we say that these are the vital amines? Because they are required in order to perform the cellular functions. Okay, then in this slide, you will see the total description, complete description of vitamin. So what the slide is saying, this slide is saying that vitamins are chemical unrelated organic compounds. Unrelated organic compounds means they are independent organic compound. They don't depend on the other chemical compound. They are not attached with the other chemical compound. So these are the organic compounds which are required in the diet in small amounts in order to perform these specific biological functions. And what are these biological functions, I already discussed with you. But they cannot be synthesized in the body and in adequate quantities. So we require them through we require them through the diet. So they must be supplied by the diet. Okay, so this, now I think this is easy to understand what is the purpose of using the vitamin. And in one centralized place at here, you can completely understand the concept of vitamin. Okay. Okay. So here we talked about the vitamin, about the history of the vitamin and the why we need vitamin and what is the complete description of vitamin. This was the video one on the topic of series of the topic of vitamin. So this is all about this subject. I will continue this topic in the video number two. Video is completed. Keep watching. If you have any questions, just let me know.